Hey, I'm Robbie, and this is my lovely assistant Maria, and we'll be doing a trilingual cooking of, what was her name? Selena's Enchiladas. Hecho in Mexico, made in Mexico. You ready?
Yeah, but I don't know what to do.
Alright, so what I've been doing here is chopping garlic and putting in this pot. But first, let's go through the ingredients of the enchiladas. Yellow onions, green onions, garlic, which I've been chopping, and that's your new job. Step on in, chop some garlic. Okay. Your favorite thing to do, I'm sure. Enchilada sauce, it could be red or green. Salsa, if you do red enchilada sauce, do red salsa. And if you do green. Tortillas, it can be flour or corn. Soft, because we're going to fry them. Chicken, I prefer chicken thighs, but in the grocery store they didn't have any chicken thighs, it was annoying. Shredded mozzarella cheese. Sir, ili queso.
Oh my god, you should be a blogger, baby.
And olive oil, masla de olivio. Selena was an amazing woman who used to come in and cook these occasionally when I lived in California, and it was like my favorite meal ever. So right now, the first step is in a large pot, tout, aquí, tam. We bring water to a boil and we put...
How much?
Just throw it all in there. We put a bunch of garlic. I love garlic. She loves it when my breath is garlicky. So
I hate this.
we put a ton of garlic in
more?
there. I think that's enough.
Great.
So now we need to chop the onion. So you're going to be
What
crying
size?
soon. Let's just small.
Small.
Not super small, but, you know, malinki.
Okay.
Pequeño. No, pequeño? Paquito.
Baby,
Poquito.
you told me what you will cook,
Yes.
and
So,
I'm cooking now.
yeah, you're my assistant.
Great.
Chef Power, ti chef
Nikto.
Nikto.
Great.
So first, we're gonna put the onion and the garlic in this boiling pan. It should be boiling. Let's turn it up to maximum heat. And then in a separate saucepan, this one, we're gonna simmer together the salsa and the enchilada sauce. So as you can see, we have La Castaña salsa roja, red salsa, Krasny salsa. 4 enchiladas. Caliente y serve. Caliente. Let's go that spicy. Ostri. Can never remember that. All right. So really simple. We're just gonna put a bunch of this in there. Ooh, this is the best part. This sauce is so good. Try. You can't find the sauce in Ukraine. Does anything taste like that in Ukraine?
Wow, it's really good.
It makes me so angry.
No, it's tastes like.
You cannot find this in Ukraine. Like impossible.
For me, it's like tomato pasta.
Yeah, similar. It tastes, but you get that.
But it's spicy.
The spicy flavor. Spicy.
I will zoom it
And
on your face.
And it's really annoying that you can't get it in Ukraine, but you know, maybe one of these days.
Look at this piece.
Someone
it's
will.
Okay?
Yeah, it doesn't need to be that small because you're just gonna throw them in the pan. Now try the salsa. Can't find that in Ukraine either. Even if you go to Good Wine, where they have everything, supposedly, you can't find enchilada sauce.
Baby, don't do advertise for Good Wine. They didn't pay for us.
Alright, fuck them. No more advertising for you, Good Wine. I'm not advertising for them, I'm advertising against them. You can't get it there. Don't go there. It's a ripoff.
Right.
Store is way overpriced.
And so expensive, yeah. Really.
Also, it's really important when you cook to lick everything. Fatty mentality. Alright, faster. Booster,
Baby,
пожалуйста.
Oh my god.
Here. Wait. Take this. Okay. So, that's step 1 is put all this in there and get it to a boil. So next step is
I don't understand what we are doing.
we're gonna mix this salsa and enchilada
Almost cut
sauce
my
together. Yeah, don't cut yourself. You usually do that. So let's try to not do that this time. So we're gonna simmer this. Just put this at like a medium heat, like a 5, and simmer. This is starting to boil. That's good. And then we're gonna.
I didn't.
So, for idiots who don't know how to cut,
Oh my god.
stop! You never put your fingers like this, because then you'll chop them off. You put it like this, so that way you're cutting against them, and you're only gonna chop your nail. And they don't need to be this small.
I did.
This is good. See? Cut away from you. You're the best cutter.
Okay, you could cut. And I will explain what to do.
You don't know how to make it. Alright, so now we got those going. Alright. Here's the trash. We got the salsa simmering. Next step is we need to start frying the tortillas. And you have to sing the tortilla song. You ready? It goes, tortilla, esta tortilla, cha cha cha. Go, go. So next, we're going to coat a skillet, saute pan with olive or vegetable oil to lightly fry torn tortillas, or these tortillas. Stir this a little.
Well, ja, well, ja, well, ja, ja, ja.
And that's how we
Onion we need just for chicken?
Yeah.
Really? And I thought that you would become crazy.
Why?
Because I thought for what we need
So much?
this water. Where we will use it?
Yeah. Well, now it's good. Soup.
Yeah.
Chicken broth. And now we need to cut it up into small pieces. And the next step is going to be taking the tortillas, frying them in oil, coating them with the sauce. There's a video here. And then we're going to put them in this thing that Maria definitely got out of the car.
Oh my god.
And
What
Then
kind
we're gonna
of
put it in the
pieces
oven.
it should be, baby?
the oven,
It should be
It's hot.
small pieces or middle?
very small.
Very small.
Очень маленький. Маленький, маленький, пожалуйста.
How we should do this?
We need another plate, I think. You put the finished chicken here. Maybe I should cut since you're kind of a slow cutter. I'll let you do the enchilada part. Oh, the chicken looks good. Now we have room to cut. Knew that was going to come. Baby always spills on herself. Remember when you took when you just got that new white top and you spilled salsa all over it? Before meeting Lisa and you didn't know it was there and I told you like, oh, you got a big stain right on your chest. Te pomnisz?
Cool story, boo.
Here we have the lovely mash.
Baby, so huge pieces. Cut.
It doesn't need to be that small, it just needs to be like shredded. These are good size. Okay. Nie trogaj. No tocar. Don't touch, nie trogaj, no tocar. It's all T. Touch in all three languages is T. Alright, so now we've got our chicken. It's in here. We have more to cut. And here comes the really messy and kind of fun part. We get this sauce heated up a little bit more. And by sauce, I don't mean sauce, I mean oil.
Wow, you want a chicken?
And here we go. So more oil in there.
Chicken eat.
The dog likes chicken. What? Here, you need to learn how to do this. Oh, we have another sous chef.
We have a son.
Who's a good boy? Alright, so what we need to do next, watch, is give the dog all of our chicken. All right. So we're gonna take this. We're gonna put it in oil on both sides. Then we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna take this.
I should cut it, right?
No, it's fine. We're gonna take this. We need our pot here. This is finished, so we can move this. We got this here. Tortilla. Tortilla here. Then we're gonna coat it in sauce. Then we're gonna put chicken in it. Then we're gonna put cheese in it. And then we're gonna roll it and put it in there. Pane mais?
No.
Alright, so we go here. Tortilla in there. A little bit more. I'm gonna use this one now. We're gonna put some sauce on it. Like this. I'm gonna put some chicken inside. Not too much because you won't be able to roll it. And then some cheese. You're making like a mini taco here. Like that, I guess. You can make them as thick or thin as you want. And you roll it up and stick it in there. So you're gonna do the next one, okay? You're gonna take this like this. You're gonna hold it over here. You're gonna take this spoon and you're gonna go like that. And then you're gonna put chicken in it.
How much?
All in. Throw it in there. That's good. And then you're gonna put cheese. See? Like that. And then you're gonna roll it up. You're gonna put it next to the. Alright, so we're almost finished here with this part. Oh, you need to start chopping these green onions into pieces like this big. Just
Whole?
yeah, just like get them wet. Enchilada sauce. Toot. Chicken. Tam. Aquí. Sir. Queso. Now we need to put this in there. So we have it heated up to about 400, so I think that's around 200. And we take it at this, and we put it in at this. Oh my god, I thought it wasn't gonna fit. Almost not. Imagine if we did the whole thing and it didn't fit. Looking good. Make sure you burn yourself. Voila! And hold it up to the camera. Ho ho ho.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Will
Pull those suckers out like this on the plate. The cheese should stick like that. Extra cheesy. Put some beans on there. And the last little part. You want them extra spicy.
No, I will not.
Okay. Hey. So, Maria the taste tester.
With beans?
No, just try it without the beans first.
It's hot?
Yeah. Что это? Or how? Какой это?
Какое это?
Какой это? 1 to 10. 10? You're just saying that because it's me.
No, it's really good.
Really good. There you have it, folks. Selena's Enchiladas. Hecho en Acumel. Tulum.
This beans really good. Why we don't have this in Ukraine?
You can't get any of this in Ukraine. Alright.
Oh my god.
First vlogging video. Finito.